What if staying healthy didn't require gyms, supplements, or endless doctor visits? What if the secret to lifelong wellness could be found in the simple rhythms of everyday life? For the Amish, it's not a trend, it's just how they live. And their way of life holds powerful lessons for us in the modern world. Today on Simple Frugal Living, we're diving into the timeless habits of the Amish: sleep, movement, food, air, water, and community, that keep them thriving without medicine cabinets or expensive treatments. And the best part? These habits are simple enough for anyone to start. In the farmlands of Pennsylvania, something remarkable happens every evening. While most of us stay glued to glowing screens, Amish families simply wind down with the setting sun. When darkness falls, their homes grow peaceful. No buzzing phones, no TV noise, just silence broken only by the soft glow of candles or oil lamps. This simple rhythm naturally boosts melatonin, the sleep hormone our bodies need for deep rest. Most Americans today scrape by with under 7 hours of broken sleep. But the Amish, they average 8 to 10 hours of solid, uninterrupted rest. Their bedrooms are cool, dark, and quiet, no artificial lights or gadgets interfering. And the benefits are stunning: lower stress hormones, healthier blood pressure, sharper memory, and calmer minds. Doctors spend years treating sleep disorders with machines, pills, and programs. The Amish avoid these problems entirely, just by honoring nature's clock. Forget treadmills and gym memberships. Amish fitness comes free with daily life. Every morning starts with chores that could rival an athlete's training session. Carrying buckets, mucking stalls, pitching hay, chopping wood, all of it builds functional strength, endurance, and balance. Studies show Amish adults walk between 14,000 to 18,000 steps every single day. Compare that to office workers struggling to reach 3,000 without forcing themselves into artificial exercise routines. And unlike repetitive gym workouts that risk injury, Amish chores change with the seasons. Spring planting, summer haying, fall harvesting, and winter woodcutting all challenge the body in different ways, keeping muscles balanced and joints strong. The result? Obesity and lifestyle diseases like diabetes remain shockingly rare in Amish communities. Step onto an Amish farm, take a deep breath, and you'll notice something instantly: the air is pure. No car exhaust, no industrial fumes, no chemical pollution, just oxygen filtered by forests, fields, and grasslands. Modern city dwellers spend money on expensive air purifiers, while the Amish enjoy the cleanest air for free. This fresh environment builds strong lungs, powerful immune systems, and resistance to allergies. Children grow up outdoors, exposed to natural microbes that train their bodies instead of weakening them with over-sanitized living. The Amish don't need labels like organic or non-GMO. Their food is simply natural, grown without chemicals, picked fresh from the soil. Their gardens are alive with vibrant vegetables grown in rich, composted soil. Meals are made with potatoes harvested that morning, beans picked at peak ripeness, corn straight off the stalk, and milk still warm from grass-fed cows. No preservatives. No artificial colors or flavors. Just food the way it's meant to be. Preservation methods like root cellars, smoking, fermentation, and natural drying ensure food is available year-round, without freezers or chemical additives. This diet, paired with their active lifestyle, fuels their bodies perfectly. And unlike modern processed foods, Amish meals actually support digestive health, immunity, and long-term wellness. Deep beneath their farmland runs naturally filtered spring water, clean, mineral-rich, and untouched by chlorine or fluoride. Some families also collect rainwater, while herbal teas and raw milk provide additional hydration. Sugary sodas, energy drinks, and chemical-laced beverages simply don't exist in Amish homes. The result? Clear skin, healthy kidneys, balanced metabolism, and natural energy without caffeine dependency. If there's one medicine modern society has lost, it's community. The Amish still have it in abundance. When illness strikes, neighbors show up with food, help, and comfort. Barn raisings turn overwhelming tasks into shared victories. Financial burdens are shared so no family is left behind. Faith and gratitude form the backbone of their emotional health. Singing, prayer, forgiveness, and acceptance reduce stress, protect the heart, and bring peace. Where most of us face life's challenges alone, Amish families face them together. Generations of herbal knowledge remain alive in Amish kitchens. Garlic and honey for infections. Chamomile tea for rest. Mint for digestion. Salves for burns and cuts. But they aren't against modern medicine. They simply use it wisely, only when absolutely necessary. Hospitals for emergencies. Antibiotics for real infections. Surgeries when there's no other option. This balance avoids overmedication, dependency, and the side effects that plague modern health care. Amish health doesn't come from miracle pills or expensive programs. It comes from timeless choices. Sleep when it's dark. Move with purpose. Eat clean food. Drink pure water. Breathe fresh air. Stay rooted in community and faith. These lessons prove that true wellness doesn't require endless spending. It requires simplicity. Here on Simple Frugal Living, we believe these habits aren't just for the Amish, they're for anyone seeking a healthier, more balanced life. If you'd like to explore deeper into Old World wisdom, check out the books in our description. Claude Davis's Guide to Survival Superfoods and Nicole Appelian's book on herbal remedies. They're treasures of knowledge that can help us bring back health and self-reliance into our modern homes. So, the next time you think about fitness fads or pricey health products, remember this: sometimes the best health plan is the simplest one.